think, act, and prosper. You are now tuned into the Money Level Show.
Alrighty, everyone. Welcome back to the Money Level Show. Today, we're going to go through something that's called the Cashflow Quadrant. We went through one piece of that where we talked about the employee, self-employed, and the corporation owner and the investor side of things and how much taxes you pay on them and tax benefits and all those different things. So I will leave a link in the description for that piece of it. So this one, I want to go through the other piece of that cash flow quadrant. So excuse my appearance today. You know, I've been kind of just chilling in the house, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't shaved or anything, but it's all good. We here to talk about money, not about how I look today, right? Yeah. So today we're going to talk about the cash flow quadrant. So here you have your what's called the income. Hopefully you can see this. I'll try to make sure that you can. Here you have expenses. Okay. Here you have assets. And here you have liabilities. All righty, so my bad, this does not look like an E. All right, so what I want to do is explain what is an asset, what is a liability. You know, obviously we know what income is. So income you'll get from your job. So you get your job and then you get money from your job. And then what you do is you spend that income on your expenses, and it pretty much takes income out the door, right? So what is an expense? So an expense is something like, you know, you have your phone bill, you have, you know, gas, you know, you have your light bill, things like that. So those are expenses. So now you have liabilities and assets. So a lot of times liabilities are more of things that take money out of your pocket. So a liability can be things like a car. So you have, you know, a car. My bad, y'all. I'm trying to draw and stuff. Yeah, there we go. Got a 1990 Buick Regal right there. So you have a car, you have a house as well. So some people may be like, okay, why would you put a home on liabilities when the home is an investment? So an investment is something that puts money in your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket, right? So I say a home is a liability because it's your personal residence and you're paying money to maintain your home and to maintain your living space. And so it's a liability because it goes in your expense category, which costs you money, and it goes out of the expense category. So that's what liabilities do. Now, your car could be an asset. I mean, an asset could be like, say, like you bought a delivery van for your business, you know, and that could be an asset because it's causing you to deliver products to different places and things like that. And it could be something that is the life of your business and it brings you money. So a car could be that, you know, a vehicle could be that. So let's go over the assets. So when you go to assets, you have things such as, you know, we could put a home right here too. This could be an asset. However, this isn't a personal residence. This is a investment property because an investment property, you'll get money from the rent, and this rent will go to your income, right? So it doesn't go to expenses. It actually increases your income. So other assets could be, just like I said, you can have a delivery van, you know, where you're, all right, that's a terrible van, but you have a delivery van. This delivery van could be you delivering products or things like that, and that's making money for your business and it's putting money in your pocket. So these are assets. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. So some people may say, well, Daryl, you know, a house is a asset because it's worth money. It goes up in value and all those different things. But honestly, you're not taking the money out of your house. I mean, if you're taking money out of the house, your equity out of the home or things like that, then it could be an asset. So like, for example, say like I get a home equity loan for my home, and then I use that home equity loan or line of credit to buy an investment property, and this investment property brings me income. That could be an asset. But if you're just living there, sitting by the fireplace, eating popcorn or whatever, and it's not making any money for you, then it's a liability. It's taking money out of your pocket every month, so you have to spend your income to pay your expenses. Same thing with a car. Cars lose value a lot. As soon as you drive a car off the lot, you can't sell it for how much you bought it for. So cars are a liability. So it takes money out of your pocket. So those are liabilities. And so if your car's paid off, then that may be a different story. So if your car's paid off, and then it could technically be an asset or whatnot, because it's not costing you money for per se, except for through gas or maintenance and things like that. And if you're using that car to, whether you're using that as part of a business or something, whether you're doing Instacart or DoorDash or something like that, it could be something that you use as an asset to gain income. However, if you're making a car payment, it's taking money out of your pocket. So you're paying interest and all those different things, so it's taking money out of your pocket. So that is what assets and liabilities are. This is income and expenses and how all of this flows together. So I hope that this was helpful for you guys, and I hope that you guys are able to see that how you can build assets, and thinking about assets. Okay, what are some things that you can do to build assets? And some of that could be, stocks. You buy stocks of a company. This company pays you a dividend. These stocks bring you income. So that's another way to build an asset. So you got to think like, okay, what's taking money out of my pocket and what's putting money in my pocket? So those are the differences between assets and liabilities. So I want to thank you all for joining the Money Level Show today. I hope this was helpful. Be sure to comment, subscribe, and like the video. And then if you got any questions or anything, you can always email me or get in contact with me. So those links are in the description. Thank you all. You all have a good day.